Tired of your Samsung phone constantly telling you that you're out of storage? Well, adding an SD card is a simple solution to dramatically increase your storage space, letting you keep all your photos, videos, and apps without having to delete precious memories. First, locate the SIM card tray on your Samsung phone. It's usually on the side. Use the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone, or a small paper clip, to gently push into the small hole on the tray. This will pop out the tray. Carefully pull it out completely. Now, identify the SD card slot. It's usually the smaller of the two slots on the tray. Some phones label it with SD. Place your SD card into the designated slot, ensuring the gold connectors are facing down. It should fit snugly. Carefully slide the tray back into your phone until it clicks into place. Make sure it's flush with the phone side. Your Samsung phone should automatically detect the SD card. You'll likely see a notification confirming this. Now, to format the SD card for optimal use, go to your phone settings. Then, tap on Battery and Device Care. Next, tap on Storage. You should see your SD card listed. Tap on it, and then select Format. This will prepare the card for use with your phone, erasing any existing data on it. You'll be asked to confirm this. Remember, formatting will erase everything on the SD card. And that's it. You've successfully installed and formatted your SD card. You can now move apps, photos, and videos to your SD card to free up space on your phone's internal storage. Now you never have to delete another memory.